Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel, M&MG. I'm Mrs. Gold. And sorry, everyone, I apologize I couldn't go live for the last 2 weeks. I am sick with a cold that just will not leave me, and I need to rest my voice. So thank you for those who have been sending well wishes. I'm trying to keep you guys entertained with all this reggae Sunfest stuff. I love it. It's just so exciting. You know, in a business, if me get a copyright here and there, it is worth a sharing because I'm bigging up our culture. Right? I think it's very important to pick up our culture. Anyhow, I would like to say thank you to everyone that contribute to making us successful and making our channel reach 3,000 subs. Yay! You know, I think we are one of the most, Vendetta channel gets the most fight. We get the less support compared to a lot of other channels. And to see us make 3,000 with all the struggle and fight we get is amazing. Big up to Carrie all the time. Big up to Alkaline. Big up to Mavado. Big up to both camps. Big up to all the young artists that came on our show. Big up to all the veteran artists that comes on our show. Big up to everyone that watches our show, takes part and questions the artists in our show. You guys make everything possible for where we are today. And I swear, guys, we're going to do our best as long as God gives us health to continue to entertain you all. And let's get these people exposed, all these great talent and our beautiful culture. Look out for Sip and Sex. That's all I'm going to say. Just look out for Sip and Sex. You'll find out what it's about soon. Anyhow, I would like to thank those that continue to leave comments in our comment section, as usual, and our members. Members, big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. You guys have access to new rules all the time, Jamaica. You got your own private viewing, so check that out. If you guys are interested in becoming a member to support the channel, you can just simply hit the link that's in our description box telling you how to do so. Or if you just want to say thank you and show some support since we haven't been going live, you can just go look at the top there. You'll see a box that says thank you, and you click on that and then you can do a donation. Now let's get to the news that's really irking me today. Also, remember to check out Alkaline's Say We're Great video. Sorry, not video. Oh my God, we're doing it. I am sick. His song Say We're Great on Vivo. So check it out. It is sick. I couldn't get a chance to do a review on it, but no, say I love it. Whenever I go live, we'll talk about it. Big up on yourself.
We great, so we great. Teach you to make them, show them the way I make we elevate.
Big up to Elite TV to bringing this to my attention, because since I've been sick, I haven't been able to really follow up on the news. But I saw that Bondanovich, whatever you want to call him, apologized to Bunty Killer for Ishawna's Sunfest performance. Now, you know, when Elite read her review, I'm like, okay, it's just little dancehall mag. Next thing I look and see, it's in all of the most popular publications that are Caribbean or in Jamaica. And I'm like, oh, hell to the no. I need to address this. Okay, so if you're lost, let me read another article so it's not the same article as the one Elite read for you guys earlier, okay? So this one in The Loop says, Sunfest apologizes to Bunty for disrespectful Ishawna performance. Dancehall Records, property of the Reggae Sunfest Music Festival, basically the owners, has apologized to veteran dancehall artist Bunty Killer for what Downsound described as an insulting and demeaning act by dancehall artist Ishawna during her performance at Festival on Saturday. The controversial female dancehall DJ Sinjay drew for life-size cardboard cutout of Bunty Killer while performing her song Equal Rights, which promotes oral sex. And that's not true. Equal Rights is basically a song about if you expect a woman to go down on you, then she has the right to expect you to go down on her. Equal rights. That's what the song is about. It's not forcing no man at no time to do anything they don't want to do. It's just if your expectation is for a woman to do something, then she should have the right to ask you to do something. The controversial female Sinjay, Ishawna then threw the cutout of Bunty Killer on the stage and proceeded to gyrate on the face while singing about oral sex, a sexual act that Bunty Killer has often spoke out against. Yes, but allegedly we had rumors that in the scene, you know, okay. So even though he speaks out against it, allegedly there's rumors. A video of her performance has been circulating on social media. The behavior was disrespectful and inexcusable, and for what we sincerely apologize to Bunty Killer for an offensive caused, DANCEHALL said in a release. So it was a press release. The release further stated that DANCEHALL Records did not know Ishawna's plan beforehand. As a practical measure, we can't control what an artist does when they get on stage. In this case, we had no advanced knowledge as to what was going to take place. While stating the company is committed to free expression, DANCEHALL said there are limits to that. Now, this is the problem that I have, guys. We all know in the past, even at this Sunfest, you guys, I'm uploading videos from Sunfest. You can check out Intense performance. You can check out Josh's performance, another artist I'll be posting. And people throw words, throw disses. There's been stage shows in the past where people have done things on stage to disrespect another artist, right? And they're all men, and they get away with it. Some have threw out lyrics that basically have allegedly made it seem like they're threatening people's life, right? And they got away with it. No apologies. But as soon as a woman does something, there's a problem, right? And this is the shit that pisses me off. First of all, allegedly, Joe and Ishawna used to date. Allegedly, Ishawna was part of DANCEHALL Records, right? So there's something close here. So I guess the assumption is Joe doesn't want people to think that he knew that this was going to happen because him and Ishawna had a close past. But they are just acquaintances now. Ishawna distanced herself from them and so forth, right? So I find it odd that they're so quick to come down on Ishawna when there's people who are spitting out like lyrical gun lyrics, wanting to kill someone allegedly, and they get away with it, and she's just basically having fun. Now, what Joe needs to realize, right? Bunty Killer caused so much friction when Ishawna came out with that song that when Ishawna was performing, there was men who threw stuff at her on stage. Literally committed abuse against her for her song on stage because of Bunty Killer. There has allegedly been death threats because of Bunty Killer disrespecting Ishawna's song who had nothing to do with him, right? So it's astonishing to me how nobody never thought that Bunty Killer should have apologized for Ishawna expressing her artistic behavior and feel the freedom to do what she wants to do as an artist. But as soon as Ishawna has a little piece of cardboard, a wind up pan, then want to come make big deal about. This is the injustice I don't like. And as a female vlogger, this is why I do what I do. Other than to promote Alkaline, the whole purpose is because Alkaline gets a fight. Any artist that gets a fight, we're here to support them. And I think I call bullshit on this. I think it's very disrespectful that they came out with this and not at least address other artists. Talk about all the other artists that probably caused quote unquote friction backstage. Address all the artists who came and spit lyrics that were basically hinting they want to hurt somebody else. Why you don't just group everybody up and address them? Why single out Ishawna? I think that was just, And it's so annoying how the women of dancehall get a fight. Ishawna, just go and do your thing, and we all are proud of you. Bunty Killer has disrespected numerous people, even on Sunfest, allegedly stage, in the past history of Sunfest and other stage shows. You know, he's not coming out saying sorry to them, so why is he in his feelings?
And break my heart to love me.
The joke is that they're here saying Sunfest does not condone performances that insult other artists or individuals, right, or disrespect them in any way. This sort of behavior is strictly prohibited under Sunfest policy and agreements. But yet, the amount of shade that took place during Sunfest is ridiculous. I am so upset. So anyways, Bunty Killer, you know, he was upset and his feelings were hurt. He said, we Jamaicans like to take bad things and make jokes, but when bad things happen, do we find it funny? Whatever. You have abused so many people. You made fun of Alkaline, tried to destroy Alkaline's album before it was even released, constantly for decades harassing Vegas and numerous artists. You know, Ishawna did a great job listing everyone who has Bunty Killer has dissed, and she is absolutely right. Let's take a look at this list, right? All these people you harassed Bunty Killer throughout your whole friggin' career. And we're supposed to feel sorry for this big grown man that took a hammer, allegedly, to a female? You know, like, whoa, my God. He could have said something like, although I'm not condone this, I'm not like it, yo, I'm not pray, I'm not watch it, and left it at that. But you're gonna make this big complaint? Are you kidding me? You destroyed so many people's career, Bunty Killer. I was an Alliance fan, a big Alliance fan, and you lost me as a fan just because of your behavior. And then he goes on to say, y'all say how we rate the general for his contribution to the poor and development of other artists. Then y'all sat there laughing how a little fly-tailed dancehall styled me, right? Here a Jamaica who claimed them love and rate me. That's why I have nothing to say. I'll leave y'all to God and time. Anyway, with my ignorance and welcome my intelligence. Just watch the style, yeah. With his little man, I was just absolutely ridiculous.
I just feel like I live a fairy tale. Right now, I feel like Cinderella. I come out in my glass slippers. Yeah, dancehall Cinderella. Nah, ask them something and happen every day.
Yeah.
Dancehall Cinderella. Right, that is what it is.
Okay. Donates to the poor. Alkaline contributes to Jamaican society. Alkaline was there for the COVID telethon, right? He's done so much. Did you stop Bunty Killer to say, hey, Alkaline has done this and Alkaline has that, let me just load the youth? Right? Fuck that. I am, ladies of dancehall, take notes. We need a stage show, and I hope Ishawna gets invited to the next New Rules in Jamaica or wherever. We need a stage show for the females, really and truly. Markov, you're listening. I think somebody needs to organize. If I won the lotto, I swear I would do it. An all-female stage show. Fuck these people and their feelings. I think it's totally disrespectful that everyone's ready to belittle and jump on Ishawna. Ishawna's performing. As an artist, you have the right to perform. And there is no rule against what she did, because who are you to say that that's an insult? To many women and men, it isn't. Oral sex is part of life. It's part of nature. In other parts of the country, we won't find that offensive. So what you're here trying to label as disrespectful, in many countries and many places who are watching the event as well, do not find it disrespectful. Anyways, guys, this is just a golden quickie, my golden thoughts. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Yo, Ishawna, now watch no face. So we great. Alkaline, big up yourself.
We great, so we great. Teach you to make them, show them the way I make we elevate. And when them do it, them a see how we